Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, you know that period between Christmas and New Year when you sat and you're browsing and you think, what am I going to do next year? And I thought, well, I really enjoyed building the little Lego things. Honestly, even though I made a bit of a mess of that second set of ornaments, but I have corrected it now. I kept getting adverts for the Disney puppies. Now, in our family, my stepdaughter absolutely adored Dalmatians. And we met one in real life once, and well, goodness me, that poor dog, it's never been hugged so much in its life, I don't think. But anyway, it did enjoy it, and no Dalmatians were harmed in the hugging of the dog. So this kept coming up and I thought, oh, do you know, I'm just going to have to get this. The age is 6+, so I thought, well, if a 6-year-old can do it, I hopefully can do it. It's 268 pieces and it's Lucky and Penny, the Dalmatian puppies. I actually looked on Amazon for this one and I got it for £13.97, which I think is a good price. It's a brand new in box, so it's never been opened. So, yay! So we've got some Dalmatian puppies to build. And, yeah, I thought, oh, well, they're really, really, really cute. And then that sort of like got me thinking, oh, well, now I've ordered that. And you know what it's like. You order something and then you start getting adverts for a thing. And I started getting adverts for the Lego sale. And I thought, well, I'll just go and have a look and see what bits there are. Just expecting it to be all the huge kits that I've just got no chance of building at the moment. And yeah, there was just these 3 little bits that I got on special offer, which I thought were really, really good. I mean, if it's a bargain, then it's not really a buy, is it? So let's get into this box and I'll show you what we got. I only know how to open these boxes because I saw somebody unboxing one last night. I would never have looked on the sides for the strips like that. Oh, look. So well packaged. Wow. And then this little box just lifts up like this and lifts up like this. What does it say about me? That I don't know how to open the box and I'm going to be building Lego. Anyway, let's take these little sets out and have a look. So we've got one set. Oh, that's a dinky little doodah one. And 3. Yay. We'll start off with the haunted house. It's an 8+. So yeah, I might have to do this one last because this is an age 8. I'll do the Dalmatians first. They're age 6. Yeah, so this one is the little haunted house. It's haunted barn. How does it tell us how many pieces there are in this one? Oh no, it doesn't tell us how many pieces, but it looks like we've got a special piece that's a bat up there. So, ooh, Halloween barn. So yeah, a bit early for this year, but you know how slow I am at doing things. So yeah, I did think, oh well, we'll get this one and see. And this one was reduced from £12.99 to £6.49. Yes, so we were half price. Yeah, excellent. And I do like the little skeleton as well. I presume we get the little skeleton. Shall we open this one up and have a quick peek and see what's in it? Because yeah, I know everybody collects the little mini figures. I'm trying to just get things that are going to be meaningful or useful. But this purchase was before the 1st of January, so it's not this year's purchase, it's last year's purchase. Ooh, look at these. I'm not actually building these today, I'm just having a sneak peek and seeing what I've got. And I thought you'd like to have a look with me. So, oh, look, we have to build the skeleton. He's all in pieces. Wow. Oh, look, there's the little skeleton's head. Ooh, his little face. I love the body. That's brilliant. Oh, I do like that. Oh, we've got a little cauldron there as well. Yay. Okay, I'm not seeing the bat at the moment, but I'm sure he's hidden in here somewhere. Oh, look at that eye there as well. Oh, there's some great pieces in here. So, yeah, and we've got a little plate to build it on. This is the first one that I've got a little plate to build it on, a little base. Oh, maybe we build the bat then. We must build the bat. It must be a body and I can't see it anyway. But, yeah, there's another little eye in there. Look. Ooh. So, yeah, this one looks great fun to do. So, I will be doing this one. Hopefully before Halloween. So that, oh look, the eye goes there. Ooh. I love this like tree with the flowers on as well. I bet they're man-eating flowers. Woo! And then this is one that I've sort of like looked at and thought, yes, no, yes, no. And then it was on special offer. When I initially put things in my basket to think about it, it was out of stock. And then I got a notification it's back in stock. And I thought, oh, well, it would be rude not to. So it was reduced from £8.49 to £6.79. So they're only little purchases. And this is my London bus. And I love London, and I've got quite a few relatives live around the London area-ish. So let me see. Oh, this one's one of the push-down ones. This one's an age 7, so I can do it before the age 8 one. Oops. Let's open this one up and have a quick sneaky peek. Oh, we've got one little plate there, look. Okay, that one, has it escaped, or is it just a different one? Oh, we've got stickers in this one. We've got a little leaflet. What does this tell us? All right, we are in the process of switching from plastic to paper-based packaging. And then if you can read that, yeah, please do. Lego sustainable packaging. So I think that is possibly that in several different languages down there as well. So yeah, okay, so this is an old set, which is why it's in the sale, I suppose, because it's retiring. And then we've got our little booklet to tell us. Oh look, we've got a little grid on the front as well, and it's just 2 bags. So, yeah, oh, these aren't numbered. Ah, right, this is like the snowflake and the penguin, isn't it? Where they're just all going to be muddled up. But, okay, it's only 1 build, so that's not quite so bad. That's pretty good. Right, we'll put this one back in its box. It's all exciting stuff. I don't like this. Just something a little bit different. I'm just feeling in a building type mood. Construction. Should I get myself one of those little hard hats, you know, to wear while I'm doing these? Under construction. And then finally, well, this is an Easter set. And it's probably last year's Easter set. And it was reduced from £10.99 to £3.49. £3.49 for a brand new Lego set. It just would have been rude not to. And it's 8+ as well, so yay! This is for older children. Oh, now then, this is the old style box opening. So is this one in plastic bags? And it's just all going to be one great big pile of Lego. I think it is. Oh, yes, it is. So this one will be trickier to build as well. For me, don't forget, I am only just starting out. I have only done, what, 3 Lego builds? Oh, but the bags are numbered. Oh, that's good then. At least we've got numbered bags in this one, so that makes my life easier. We have, oh, look, a little base plate. Oh, 2 little base plates in lime green. And then a little booklet. Oh, look how round and cute they are. So, yes. We have some Lego to do. Oh, look, they were the snowflake things. They were on the snowflakes. I know those pieces. Oh, we've got a little piece there. That must be the egg. A little yellow egg. And, oh, lots of different pieces. So, yeah. Ooh, look at these. So I will build these. Oh, another little eye looking at me. Oh, a couple of little eyes. I will build these on camera, so you can watch and laugh at me making them. You have to laugh or you'd cry. And I know Sandra was shouting at me that I'd put the wrong piece on the wrong snowflake. Well, I'd put it the wrong way around. We've got another little egg there as well. So, yeah, but I am just learning. This is the beginning of my Lego journey. And I am enjoying it. And I am liking the little bits and pieces. And as long as I don't go mad and start buying huge things, then I'm going to be okay. But I think huge Lego kits at the moment are a bit like the 100 by 90 diamond paintings. They're just too big for me. I'll just stick to the little ones and just like having a play. And it's just something to do as well. It gives my fingers a rest and, yeah, puts my brain onto something else as well. So, yay! But before I start any of those, I've got this little set to build from Sandra, Happy Plants. So this is going to be my next build. I will film this. Oh, this one's 9+. Now then, this could be stretching me. Let's have a quick refresh on what this one was. Let's have a quick look. So, oh, how many bags was this one? I think they were separate, weren't they? Right, so yeah, we've got 1 and 2, I believe, were the yellow plant. Well, planter. I just love the little happy faces. You've got to have a happy face on your plant pot. And 3 and 4, so yay. And I liked the fact as well that these are in little separate booklets, so we can do one booklet at a time. So if I start the first one and it takes me 3 hours, then I might have to split the video into 2. Oh dear, so it's going to be my first Lego build of 2026. Wow. My little granddaughter will be proud of me for doing Lego. She loves Lego. I know the other day she was in Smith's Toys, I think, looking to spend her Christmas money and possibly on Lego. Yeah, she has a little stand in a bedroom with all her Lego displayed on it. So, yeah, that's really good. I love the bottom of this box. Look at that. How the little frame all in Lego bits. That's really cute. Oh, look, and the plants come out as well. Oh, wow. Oh, this is going to be so much fun to do. So, yeah. I think as well, because the Lego is something that I never did while hubby was here, and it doesn't remind me of hubby at all. It's quite a nice break, because diamond painting, while I'm sat diamond painting on the settee with my little tray, it does remind me of hubby being sat in his chair watching me and talking to me while I was doing it. So, yeah, there's a little bit of sadness still there with the diamond painting, but I am back to enjoying diamond painting. But this is completely different, so this is a good move. Yay! Okay, and one final little job that I've got to do. After showing you this in my wrap-up video on my advent calendars, saying we've got this to look forward to for 2026, I never opened it. I've not even started it, and we're the 4th of January already. So let me open this and let's start doing this as well on camera. So each time I make a video, depending on what day it is, I will open it to that day. So yay! It's going to take until next Christmas for us to actually see this little owl. It's going to be one little page per day, going all the way down to the bottom until we get to this little picture. Right, so let's open this. I say I've not even taken it out of the box and looked at it. So there you are. Oh, nice little box. Oh, look at that. No, not another well-made box. Right, so what do we do? What do we do? Oh, we've got a manual. So let's have a look. Does this slide out of here? Oh yes, it does look. So, oh, got a little plastic box to keep it in as well. So, right, manual. Oh, I think it's not a manual, it's just telling us to take 1 page off a day. Yeah, I think we'd kind of figured that one out, but okay. Some people may need to know that. Oh, look at this, look at this. So what's that bit there? Is that just a packing piece? No, oh no, that's the background. We've got to leave that there. So we're taking off. Oh, look, page 1. Oh, look. Oh, it's all die cut. Oh, look. So, oh, look, these just pull off. So that's that one. And that's that one. Actually, that's quite nice if you're wanting to do any sort of stenciling or put a light behind that or do some crafting with it. My crafty brain's on the go again. So we'll take that page out as well. And we might actually get to the January in a moment. So there you are. Right, so first week. So that's up to the 3rd. Right, okay. Oh, I like the little owl there, look. So this is the 1st to the 3rd. Oh, look, and it stands up. Oh, I didn't know that. Look. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, wow. So, but we're past the 3rd now, so we can take that one off. And we can take, gosh, there's a lot of extra card on this. And we are on the 4th. Okay, so we're into the 2nd week now. So I think what it means is like the 2nd, this is the 1st full week, but it's the 2nd week. So does that fold back there? That's it, look. That's it, look. So yay, look. Oh, this is really cute. So it's not 365 or 364 days. It's actually a week at a time. So we've got 52 with a lot of fillers in between. But I suppose because it is so intricate and die cut, gosh, this must have taken some putting together. Goodness me. The poor people that had to sit and put this together. Oh, I've been heavy-handed, Liz, look, and just pulled that a little bit. So, oh, right, so it will be the 11th then that we'll do the next one. So that will sit on my desk. Excellent. Oh, wow. So we can't now put this back on. Well, I suppose you could put it as a dome on top. I could use it for a Lego piece and put a dome on top of a Lego piece. But what I'm going to do is put them in there, look, and keep them safe. So, yeah. And we'll put that in the box. Oh, wow. This is really, really good, I must admit. So we'll keep all the bits in the box and we'll stand it up on the box. Yay! So, lots of fun this morning then. Lego kits and Lego to do. We've got a new calendar that we're opening and it's a weekly one, not a daily one. So that makes it a little bit more fun because we can do one a week rather than having to worry about doing one a day. Right. Well, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this. Just a little unboxing and looking at our calendar. All a little bit buildy type things. Yay. Okay, well, if you have enjoyed it, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Hype button as well if you can. If you've got any comments or questions, in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner or scan this QR code, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.